Hello. So I have a couple of Google apps that I'm going to talk about for assessment. The first one is just Google Sites that I've used for the last couple of years for the students to work on portfolios about what are called enduring issues in global history. And this is an example that I made for my students. And you see along the top here the students, or in this example I've built up pages for the Enduring Issues site. You see over here on the right all the options for building pages. And so for example, students will have to talk about an enduring issue from their last global history class. And so an example of an enduring issue would be power, and then the students would have to define it, or impact of trade and define that, and then just come up with a specific event or development that illustrates it from their previous history course. And what I've done is have them do the same thing for in the present and in our own community. And then what I'd like to do is over the course of the year have them add more pages. Like when we go through our first unit, the Age of Revolutions, they would then add more examples of these enduring issues. And then the students can just continue to build their Google site throughout the course of the year. I can continue to read it and assess their understanding. And it gives the students a lot of freedom to choose issues of interest to them and choose texts and images and etc. To illustrate their enduring issues. Also make a lot of use of Google Docs. I have used this a lot for study guides for my European history class, and you see here examples of the ease with which you can read and comment, give the student feedback, so in this case, the student was outlining an essay, and I was just giving them some advice on how to become more analytical with the writing. That's super easy. All happens online and without stacks of papers, and that is a huge advantage. So Google Docs is super helpful, as is the Google Sites and Google Tools generally, as I've found. Can be good for formative and summative assessments. Okay, thanks. I hope that was helpful.